Yeah, girl, I don't really like people, man. I just like going at people life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go. I just like to go and take over. Yeah, girl, I don't really like people, man. I just like going at people life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go. I just like to go and take over. So I take a girl, man, me nah no fear. Not all, doubly. Not at all. Not at all. Uy, 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 uy. To us.
Now this video obviously will not be like many of my other videos, and you may be even saying, why would Surplus even give time out of his day and his channel to publicize this young lady? Now let me take you back, because this is a teachable moment. Now in the 19th century, a man by the name of P.T. Barnum, aka Phineas Taylor Barnum. Now Mr. Barnum ran the Barnum and Bailey Circus, and he was a great showman. In fact, they say he was the greatest showman. Now he said there is no such thing as bad publicity. There is just publicity. So sometimes you may see something that is very negative and you say, oh my gosh, and then it is just publicity for someone. Like for example, this video may be publicity for me, maybe it goes, like 50 million views on my YouTube channel. Who knows? Hint, 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 hint. But take a look at this girl. Now she became famous because she made some videos about taking people, man. And now, guess what? Because of her fame or notoriety, if you want to say that, she is now making promo videos and I guess making money. So no such thing as bad publicity. Check it out.
Who vex me no care. Nobody can stop a man if a man want to go. Man, we have them good woman here. We are wash, cook and clean. Some girl want miles for feed boy. I see if the man decides they want to go, there's nothing you can do about it to do make the man go. Because look what, where the man see, probably you wanna see it in a person. Some man will left him good woman for a cockroach like me, and second for a cockroach like me. No man, some man life torment, some man life miserable, some man uncomfortable. Everybody has circulate one video, say my face post. Would I like you to show me which part of my face post? The video I got from way back in December. Way back in December the video I got. Some of the life for know say what kind of hype when I try to look when I circulate the video. We say my face post. You see one girl? Everybody a talk about me go take the wrong girl man and the girl beat me. But never take a wrong girl man yet. If me take a man, me go keep your man. If can never wrong. Some want to show me which part of my face get bust. You just show me the mark, the scar or whatever. You too enough and plenty. And that, I want to try it. So I can't try it about. I want to make sure you come good. And all these things really come out. Goody come out today. Come right to it and all these things.
Also, I purposely left out a particular video which involved her in an altercation which saw her receiving injuries to the face and her forehead. I left that out for, that is way too graphic to be in my YouTube video. It would be against YouTube's guidelines. So if you're wondering, where is that video? No, I didn't put it in.
Yes, goody. Finally take somebody, man. But take him, but take over and settle. Till the man engaged to me. Right now, I call and I escape for them do wedding. Come here, tell them I finest set of food. I'm here to them have the finest style. Right now, I want to call them at 873-3466.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.